This Lazy Susan turntable is an organization game changer. First of all, look at that heart shape. It is so cute. But the suction cups are designed to have maximum suction. It has 360-degree rotation, and look how sturdy it is. If you're placing it in the fridge, it's super easy. You just put the suction cups closest to the back of the fridge, press down, and it's there for good. It's a big enough size that it fits a lot of our condiments and jars. And you don't only have to use this in the fridge. It can be used in cupboards or on tabletops or on top of your counters. It's super versatile. No more reaching to the back of the fridge for things. 10 out of 10.